Harmonies is where Peruzzi is at. Peruzzi never falls my hand with those layering of his vocals. Hear that? Hear it again. You guys hear what I'm hearing?
Wait, so you get somebody, eh? You be somebody, somebody, baby.
Come on. Yo, what's good, what's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Okay, definitely like, share, and check out my playlist in the comment section. I just released a new playlist for Afrobeats in Toronto, in Canada rather. Look at me saying Toronto. Afrobeats in Canada. It's a new playlist that I just put out. I'm going to leave my description in there, so definitely check that out. Check out the playlist. A whole bunch of content. Okay. Yes. Peruzzi is here. He's about to release an album. Okay, he's working on an album, and we're super excited. I'm excited about his album because Peruzzi is one pop act that I have always enjoyed his projects. There's always I think for a lot of people think he's not diverse, but I think he is diverse when it comes to, he makes very compelling stories out of his music, and I think that's one thing that you can never take away from him. And his delivery is also unique, man. I just love his sound. I just love the vibe that he comes with. Over here we have another song with DMW Head. You know, like Davido is out here and giving verses, having good run for features this year, man. He has had one with Tenny, he has had one with Focalistic, and yeah, so I'm looking forward to this. Davido features is always something to be excited about, because he's on the run, and I think this might be a good one that enters. Hopefully he enters, man. Yeah, so without any further ado, guys, let's go right into it. This is Somebody Baby featuring Davido. Okay. Okay, this is kind of like this is a signature fresh beats. We know this is kind of direction that they go with, and it seems somewhat like, yeah, this is exactly their pocket. Let's hope the melody bangs, bro. Okay, starting with the verse. Okay.
And if I am, you dey laugh, you dey call me baby, I dey shy. What are we? You say we be guys. Wait.
When she tells you we are guys, right? After you sum up that courage to say what are we, she now tells you we are guys. You're like, I can imagine the pain.
So you get somebody, eh? You be somebody, baby.
Harmonies is where Peruzzi is at. Peruzzi never falls my hand with those layering of his vocals. Hear that? Hear it again. You guys hear what I'm hearing?
Wait, so you get somebody, eh? You be somebody, baby.
Come on.
You get somebody, eh? So you be somebody, baby.
These choruses they're calculated, like they're so calculated and well written to the point where it just punches and enters. It's supposed to be catchy, and that's the vibe that they come for. And I love how simplified his hooks are. That's one thing you can never catch Peruzzi missing. Like, he's always here with a catchy melody and something that can be stuck in your head and something that you can vibe to, man. And I'm here for it, man. I'm here for it.
So you be somebody, baby. As you don't I don't think you guys fall like
those wrongs. Get out of here, man. Hey.
I don't think you guys fall again. This time make a
I'm seeing some product placements here and there. What is some buzz? Oh, sound buzz. I say some buzz because the song is somebody. I'm saying sound buzz. Okay.
We dey shove. We
Okay, Davido's verse is about to enter. I didn't know Davido didn't set us up well. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. You're supposed to be giving us small runs here to prepare us. I don't like the transition. I wasn't a fan of the transition. Let's run that back again. I wasn't a fan.
I don't think you guys fall again. This time make a conshala, yeah. I buy your Ella. We dey shop. We dey smile.
Give me soft.
Lady Versace, Christian Dior. Who dey swag?
Okay.
Waiting they saw. Shena my car, you dey use Texas. I give you car.
I've been at my what? You they use steak what?
Waiting they saw. Shena my car, you dey use Texas. I give you.
Is it spa? What's he talking about?
Car make you use tech but you decide to dey do fake love, yeah. Like I eat your love, Ishe my back, like I eat your love. I give you car, make you use tech but you decide to dey do fake love. Wait, so you get somebody, yeah? You be somebody, baby. So you get somebody.
Wait, I'm sorry. Like, what's the gist right now?
So you
That
get
was scary.
somebody.
So he is surprising somebody.
You be somebody.
Your mother don't cast no more games. Yo, Peruzzi is jokes, man. You don't have. Yo, imagine if this dropped on freaking Valentine's Day, and this was the whole. Bro, this is hilarious. It was giving me that Thunder Fire You vibes. Hey.
You be somebody, baby.
Okay. Hey. What does the box say? It said, pick up your shit. That's hilarious. Somebody, baby. Hey. Okay. Hey, okay. Hello, these guys are jokes, man. Yo, okay. That was interesting. Listen. Yeah, like it's a very catchy hook. Like I said, it's a very, very like addictive melody that can be stuck in your head. You be somebody, baby. It's mad. Like I like the vibe. I like the calmness of it. As far as Davido, like Davido was himself, but I don't think he brought that ginger on here, man. I won't lie. The ginger wasn't here. The song is kind of short too. I think it's under 3 minutes. Yeah. The song is pretty short too. So I don't think there was enough room for him to flex himself, show more personality. The one verse didn't make that huge of an impression on me. And it's not a terrible record. I'm not mad at it. It definitely sounds like an album featured. I don't think it has like that superstar, like number one hitting kind of quality to it. I love the song. I don't think it has that like top charting record quality to it, because it kind of feels, it kind of feels dated. Like, trust me, from a personal perspective, I might be listening to this, but I don't think everyone is still on this wave. I don't think the market is still on this wave. I think people have kind of moved on from what Peruzzi is offering here. So there might be that issue of, okay, like your sound doesn't seem, it feels kind of stale. I can see why people feel it's stale, but personally, I'm still gonna ride with it. It's a very catchy hook. It makes sense, but I don't see this being like I want to be proven wrong, but I don't see this going to the extent like a Davido feature can take a song to. Yeah, I don't think it's that big of a style quality to it. And plus, there's so much revolving around Peruzzi, like I mentioned, and it's a matter of perception. I don't think the industry sees him as a superstar yet. Not quite in his career. But yeah, that's how I feel about it, man. I'm curious how you guys feel about this one. Let me know in the comment section. Definitely don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Lucas Bins out.